Just as is. Just.
Well, I mean, it ends up being like
4 something, right?
almost 4 gigs. Yeah.
I think the max is like 3.6. I just don't want to lose any steam.
Well, I can. I mean, I can trim. That's just like more work.
You're right. No, we're gonna do the clips. We just gotta make sure we find a clip before I leave today. Or maybe if we find something funny, just write down the time, just go back after.
Yeah.
Something. Because I noticed like I barely post anything on IG anymore. I need to figure out how to promote.
Apparently, you could just do what fucking Craig does.
What do you do again?
He just apparently he just do you like that?
Come live soon.
I guess he just aggressively markets on Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Just like, give it.
Well, that's easy though, because it's not weed related, so he can blast that in front of everybody. We can't.
Yeah. No, you just don't.
Facebook's
Check out my stock podcast. Don't even say anything about cannabis. I was pitching it to like Devin's family and shit. Never once mentioned cannabis. Just like, it's a stock podcast that my friend and I do. My friend who works at a dispensary and I. Checking. Check.
Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Checking. Check.
Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You sound great. You're just fighting.
Bye, Dev.
Did you say bye?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
All right, so we're up a little bit. I'm only down $711 today.
That BNGO, it was like, I woke up and it's like, you're down $250, which, upsetting. I had $1,000 3 weeks ago. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, I've almost tripled my money, so it's like, okay, you're gonna have some setbacks. But the bingo, I broke even for like, I was like, oh, this is a good play, and then it dropped 10 cents. And I was like, well, I'm down again.
Dude, yesterday when I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, up until like 10 minutes into the market, like 7:40, I was up by like $1,200.
Oh yeah, I was up a ton yesterday morning, and then it just went, and then sideways all day. It was unreal.
Dude, yeah, so I was at 13.7 this time yesterday, and I'm at 12.2. Isn't that wild? How?
Yep. Such is the life, right?
I kind of like it though.
I love it.
Dude, I
couldn't sleep this morning. I couldn't sleep yesterday. I woke up at like fucking 7 o'clock Chicago time, which is 8 o'clock East Coast time, and I was like fucking scratching.
Yeah. I saw a meme that like nothing excites you like the stock market. It was like
yeah, it's like we're fucking degenerate gamblers.
I know. It was like a picture of like a dude like blowing up something, and he's like, doesn't excite me anymore. The stock market does.
That's so funny.
It was. I forget exactly what it said, but it was really, really funny.
If anybody's watching / listening right now, all they're hearing is like Emotron and the sound of me eating this sandwich.
Yeah, I still don't really. Did you tell anybody to like watch you live on?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't heard of it.
Slowly but surely, dude. It's happening.
I hope so.
The Discord's definitely. I think that was a great idea.
Yeah. That was I'm glad Ben took the initiative on that.
Mm-hmm. I knew it. I was saying it for months.
Yeah.
But I have no interest.
We got it, because he's the tech guy. Like, let him do it. That's you, buddy. Oh, let's try to attract people to it.
So funny. You know, I added Crypto King Mark to the group last night.
Feisty. Like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hey, do you want to join the Discord? He's like, sure, why not? So I sent it to him, and then 15 minutes later, he was just like, wait, what is this? Can I just go on here and talk to people about crypto all day? Brian, what the fuck have you done to me? And I was like, yeah, man, you're welcome.
Yeah, so Ben got into another Discord. He paid $50 a month to be a part of something else, strictly for like trading options.
That's what cheat code is, pretty much.
Yeah, I know.
Is he going to send that wealth of knowledge over?
I think he has been. He did yesterday. I did see he sent over a watch list yesterday.
Oh, that watch list. I do remember that.
I can't see contacts are blurry. I can't fucking read the screen.
Bro, this is incredible. It's got take profit levels. That's what TP is. So it's saying like, you're watching this, set your entry at 946, and you can set a take profit at 121, which it did not hit. It came very close. I think it was like 120 it peaked at. But like, interesting. Take profit at 120. That is where I bought in it at, apparently.
I should have. So I can't believe I didn't take any profit yesterday.
Bro, who saw the bloodbath coming today, though? It was just like I woke up and went, what is going on?
I was doing so much research yesterday, too, and it looked like everything was going to go up.
With the stimmy? I know. Alright, as soon as I finish scoffing the sandwich down, I'm pretty much ready to go if you are.
Yeah.
Did Dana have a site necessary? Is that what she went?
Definitely not out there anymore. She's definitely not out there.
Dude, I upset her mom so bad on Sunday. Over literally nothing. She makes this breakfast bake for, it's like a Christmas treat, apparently.
Okay.
And okay, you're vegan, so this is not going to taste good for you, but just like put that aside and think about it for a second. It's basically a breakfast casserole where it's like eggs, like shredded potatoes, sausage, cream of mushroom, gravy, and then maybe something else. So it's like this thick, right? It's a breakfast bake. I had it a couple years ago for the first time I was there, and I was like, yeah, this is good. You know, like...
Heart attack.
It's too much. I can't eat it. You know, it's way too
And
rich.
you said that.
I did not say that to her.
Oh.
But I had it a few years ago, and I was like, yeah, breakfast bake's just not my thing. You know, like, I ate it that time. Not happening this time. So apparently she had, like, asked Devin about, like, oh, does Brian like breakfast bake? And Devin was like, I don't really think so. And her response is, what's not to like? Which is, like, not a good sign, you know? So Sunday I wake up, I go downstairs, I'm like the first person up. I pour myself a bowl of cereal, and she was like, she comes down as I'm pouring the cereal, and she's like, oh, I'm making breakfast bake. I was like, that's okay, I'll just have a bowl of cereal, if that's okay. And she just went, Did not speak for the next 5 hours.
Oh,
bro,
my God.
Literally, everybody's coming down. She's not talking to anybody. Just silent. Won't look at me. I'm like, I've upset her. For sure. Then she's just like, after everybody's done eating, she's like, I have to run an errand. And she's gone for like 4 hours, right? It's just like, what's going on? So then I'm sitting downstairs watching the Bears, because we're in Chicago. And she comes down at like 1 o'clock, and she's got a McDonald's bag in her hand, and she just goes, very sweetly, she's like, here, I thought you might need an afternoon snack. And she just dropped a 6-piece nugget onto my lap and walked upstairs. And that was the only thing she said to me that day. And I talked to Devin, and I was like, is your mom upset with me? She's like, oh, yeah, for sure. I'm like, well, I'm not forcing myself to eat, you know?
Oh, my God, bro.
I'm a terrible human, I guess.
so funny.
You ready?
2 seconds. Oh, today's Billy's birthday.
What?
Today's Billy's birthday.
Aw. Do I have to give him a birthday shout out on a show that he doesn't listen to?
Why are my contacts being blurry?
All right. Let's see how you... Perfect. You like it?
Yeah.
How do I look?
Look at me. Yeah.
All right. Are you ready, sir?
Boom, ba-dum, boom, ba-dum.
Okay. Ready? We are rolling audio.
Shit.
Timer. Main. Recording. Roll it, bitch.
Woo!
Woo!
Can't reach.
Trap stocks. Smoking all the dab rocks. D&B's got this game in the head like so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track.
I almost just bent mine.
Smoking all the dab rocks. D&B got this game in the head like so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track to try and rock your socks.
Yeah. Good morning, you beautiful stoners. Welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
And we are back from Christmas break.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas. It's almost done. The last Tuesday of the year. Today is December 29th, 2020. We have a bunch of shout outs to go over. Thank you, Mad Terp Labs. Thank you for getting us high. These Terp sticks are fucking amazing. They
Love
last
them.
20 minutes and we are ripped in our little hot box.
Oh, absolutely. Also, shout out to cheat code Algo.
Yeah.
V3 of the Algo is out, and it made my penis hard this morning. It's amazing. Bro, V2 was great. V3 is a different world. V2, you got buy, short, / buy, sell signals. V3, fuck that. You have those. You have entry points.
Yep.
You have stop loss points. You have take profit points. Bro, if you are not using V3 of cheat code Algo, you dumb. I love you guys.
You need something. And thank you for Twan Murder for the dope ass theme song because everybody sings Trap Stocks, Smoking on them Dab Rocks
Yep.
to us every day.
Every day. I don't even know if people listen to the show, but they listen to that song.
They do. So check us out on YouTube, Spotify. We're putting clips on IG. So let's get right into it, man. Blood bath. Bloodbath.
We don't want to. Are we? Okay, we're just going right in the stock market. No recap. No recap.
Well, I could say just starting off with the red market today.
Yeah, it is a fucking bloodbath today.
What do you want to bring up? What's on your plate?
I just wanted to. I wanted to know how your Christmas was. I haven't seen you in a week.
Yeah, we haven't seen each other in a week.
Yep. I don't even know if I put out last week's episode. Honestly, nobody said anything to me, so I have to assume it's out. But
Ryan.
we've been at least 1 week without an episode.
We did film last Tuesday.
Yep.
We go live on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday now.
We are live right now.
Yep, we are live right now. Clips on IG, audio on Spotify. My Christmas was it was great. It was great. I had a really good time.
Did you hang out with Joel's family?
We did.
Nice.
I went to Joel's parents' house. She has 3 brothers, which was awesome. We were all smoking with her dad, talking sports. It was great. Something that I've been looking for a long fucking time.
It's nice when you can get family away from home, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's nice.
And I'm getting everybody into the stock market. I showed them the Discord. I showed them hey, this is how much money I made last week. Let's fucking do this. Let's get a team. The more people, the more eyes, the better.
Okay, real quick, that is incredible. I love that shit. You touched on something that we should have said up front that we completely forgot about. We have a Discord now.
Yep.
That's a new thing. We have
we
not
do.
had it since the last episode. We have a Discord. It is Trap Stocks. The only way you can get onto Discord is if you're invited.
Yep.
Dude, it's great. It's starting small, but it's so fun. We got a couple of people we know, a couple of people we don't know in it.
Yep.
It's fucking great. If I'm bored, instead of just talking to Dave about the stock market, I fire it off into the group. It's a lot. It's amazing. I love it.
Yeah. We love the cheat code, and that helps us out so fucking much. But when we want to dive into the penny stocks, we want to dive into what we're looking for because they don't know what we're looking for. This is the place to go. We're just random fucking stoners. Like, hey, look at this. Hey, look at that. Look at this. Come join us.
Yep. Come join us.
Come
if
join
you're,
us.
If you're listening to this, maybe send one of us a DM. I think that'd probably be the easiest way to get in the Discord. Because unfortunately, Discord links expire after like a day. So I don't know if you could put a permanent one in the bio.
Nope. Just hit us up and we'll send you one, bro.
Yeah.
How was your Christmas?
It was great. Okay. There were some interesting parts about it for sure. I told Dave I upset my girlfriend's mother pretty egregiously.
So funny.
Yeah, I really upset her on Sunday. But, bro, did I tell you about Christmas proper while I was gone?
No,
did
what
I
the fuck
text
is
you
that?
like the actual Christmas day?
No.
Guy,
You did say Merry Christmas to me.
I did say Merry Christmas.
That's all you said.
Okay, guy. First of all, Christmas Eve, I accidentally got fucking hammered. You know what I mean? Like I thought I had like 4 or 5 IPAs. I had closer to maybe 9. You know, so I was feeling it.
Okay.
I wake up Christmas, hungover as fuck. I don't have any marijuana. Oh. Yeah. Real rough day.
What were your carts, bro?
I fucked up. I brought edibles, but I gave them to Devin's sister and her boyfriend. They were for them. I didn't bring my own. I don't know why. I had a cart, but it was that garbage Rove cart. Honestly, Rove, step up your game.
Yeah, it's not that good.
It's trash. It's
Distillate.
It's just fancy pack distillate garbage.
Distillate's all the same.
Yeah, so I got no weed. That's rough. I'm hungover all day. That's rough. To cap it off, we started opening Christmas presents at 11 a.m. Ask me what time we finished.
2:30.
Guess again.
11:40.
A.m.?
A.M.
11 p.m.
Why did it take so long?
12 hours, Dave.
Why? How did
12
what could
hours.
you possibly done for 12 hours?
So, first of all, Christmas at Devin's family house it's a big ordeal. Mom loves Christmas. It's like all the stops come out.
Okay.
She buys a lot of gifts. There's a lot of people. You know, there's probably like 9 of us. Everybody except for me, which I'm not mad about. Everybody's got at least like 10 gifts, you know? I usually get like 5 or 6, and they're quite nice gifts. She got me like 2 of those fucking Gundam models that I like to build. Love it.
Wow.
Got some climbing rope so I can climb outside. Great Christmas.
Wow.
Don't get me wrong. However, when you open presents at the Hassler household, you all sit around in a circle, and she divvies out one by one, and it's, oh, this one's for Brian. Go ahead and open it. And then you open it, and you have to show it off to everybody. Literally 5 minutes per present.
Yeah.
And if it's not 5 minutes per present, she makes it 5 minutes per present. Like, I ripped one open, and she's like, you didn't read the tag. So I had to go back, find the tag, read the tag, reopen it.
Oh.
12 hours, dude. Okay, there were breaks. Like, we went from like 11 to 1:30, and then had a break till 6.
Bro, how many presents are we talking?
There was at least 150 presents.
Come on.
I'm telling you.
Isn't there like 2 of them or 3 of them?
No. Devin has 4 siblings. And then, so, yeah, Devin, 1.
Wow.
Devin plus 4. Mom and dad, that's 7. And then me, and then the one of the sister's boyfriends. 9 people total.
That's still 15 gifts a piece average.
They're not massive. Some of them is just like it's like there's a shirt in here. You know, it's just like it's such a process, and it's like it's so hard to complain because it's Christmas and it's gifts, but at the same time, it's like, yo, I've been held hostage here for 12 hours. Whereas if we had just like toughed it out and opened presents for another hour, then like we could have hung out and had a good time as a family, had fun with the gifts, you know, but instead like Devin's mom took a 5-hour break to cook this massive feast for like 30 people, of which literally a third of it got eaten. Bro, there was 9 of us there. She cooked a full prime rib and a full ham for 9 people, plus 8 sides. It was fucking bonkers. I was like, where is this Christmas with the royal family? What the fuck is happening right now?
So you went to Chicago, went to Dev's Christmas holiday party, got a bunch of gifts, free food, and you're still complaining.
Absolutely. Yep. Am I a piece of garbage? Am I a giant pile of fucking trash? Yes. But I gave you all the prereqs. I was hungover. It was a 12-hour day, and it's just it's like, I just wish she understood, because none of the family likes it. Nobody likes it. It's way too fucking long. I just wish she understood if she pared everything down, Condensed it. Presenting opens like 4 hours instead of 12. Food smaller. Then you get to actually spend time with the family. You know what I mean? Like, basically everybody was just annoyed and sitting in the same room waiting for her to show back up because she would disappear for like 3-4 hours at a time.
Question.
Yes.
Did she record it?
What?
Did she record it?
No.
See, you're lucky. You know what I was? So my mom, you want to say that was bad?
Uh-huh.
My mom would not let us. This is what she would make us go all the way down the hallway and slowly record us walking down just to sit on the tree and then individually open up present by present, but then record it. So everything that you were just saying, imagine that being on camera, and that's how I was raised every Christmas.
I would literally rather blow my brains out. How long did that take? That must have taken fucking forever.
Yeah, it wasn't a lot of gifts, so it was probably like, I don't know, an hour or two, but like still.
Yeah. You gotta fuck it. It's a pageant walk. She like lays down the red carpet, and Dave's just like, "Yay!
Oh,
You're walking too fast,
bro." We did that for Christmas. We did that for Easter. We did that for like my birthday.
Stop
it was just like every. I love my mom. Don't get me wrong. She's fucking awesome. Hopefully she's watching this, but I bet she's not.
Yeah. See, that's the thing. It's like you love it, but at the same time, it's just like, man, this is a lot to do. You only have to deal with it once. It's just you get to complain about it after.
So funny. Christmas.
Christmas.
You know, it was a lot better than Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
At least for the stock market wise.
Absolutely. I'll agree with you. Dude, I made like $450 what Christmas the day before Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas week was fantastic.
It was really good.
It was really fucking good.
Post Christmas is really sucking
really
the
fucking
penis.
good too. Oh no. Well, yeah.
Yesterday was I was sideways yesterday.
Yesterday morning.
Yeah.
Yesterday morning was fantastic.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, it just fucking tanked.
Yep.
Same thing this morning. It fucking tanked.
Well,
everything.
This morning,
Everything.
yesterday, I was up like $200, and then I was like down $3, and then I went back up to even and just sideways all day, and now today I'm down like fucking $200.
So I just brought up FinViz right now, and everything is red except for the main tech giants: Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple.
Yeah.
Everything else is red.
Yet nobody knows what's going on. I was looking at StockTwits. There's a separate board for like small caps. You know, like the similar map for small caps.
Yep.
Fucking blood red, and people are like, "What's going on today?" It doesn't make any sense. There's so much good stimmy news.
Yeah,
Stimulus is passed.
It has to repass the Senate.
It is passed. The $2,000 check is what has to repass.
Yes.
The base stimulus thing
Of
is
$600,
passed.
yes.
And we are now in the battle to get another $1,400 each. But I'm saying the stimulus has been passed.
Yeah.
That is fact. It is law now.
Why is it going down?
What the fuck?
There's got to be insider. We're missing something. We're missing like a website that we have to go to check daily for like some sort of insider news. We're missing something. We have to be.
Yeah, maybe. I think what happened is that there are people that control the market. You
Yes.
know what I mean? Like they're whales. There are people with a lot of money. And I think they saw there were a good couple of days there, dude. And I think that today we're in a bit of a shakeout.
Yeah,
I think
agree.
it's one of those things. It's like, I think they're trying to get people to sell shit low because we're going to be back. The stimulus news is bringing us back up. You saw what happened in March, you know, like we are going to go back up. So I think it's just I think we're in a weak hand shakeout right now. I think you got to buckle down and fucking take your L's, which is happening.
I made sure I did not sell out of anything. My hands were not shaky, were not warm. I wanted to cry. I texted you this morning, like,
did
bro, I
text
want
me.
to fucking cry right now.
And what did I tell you?
It could be worse.
It could be worse. You've had worse days.
Oh, I've definitely had worse days.
You've had worse days.
So today I was down by like $1,200. Like right now I'm at like 6 something right now. But yeah, I think I've lost $2,500 in a day before.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I've lost that. I lost $2,500 in a day when I didn't have $10,000 in my account. You know, like, you have more money in your account than me. Like that, we both are taking at least 10% losses today. That's what I'm seeing. That seems what everybody's taking 10%. But it's so hard to complain about it because, bro, I was just telling you this. If you look at my Robinhood right now, 1 month ago, I had like $900 in my account. And yesterday it was 27. You know, today it's at like 23. Like, I'm up substantially. You're gonna have bad days.
You're gonna have bad days. When you have a red day, it's only gonna come back and bounce harder the next day. Mm-hmm. Maybe not, definitely, but usually it's how it goes.
You just gotta tough it out. Like the thing is, you only lose if you sell. Isaiah taught me that. I sent Dave a screenshot of my Robinhood yesterday because I have like.
Red, green.
Yeah, it was adorable. Honestly, it was red, green striped the entire way. And Dave's like, holding the bag on a couple of those, and I was like, I am not actually, and I'm not even lying to you. I was like, the most I'm down on anything is like $80 because Isaiah taught me how to not hold a bag. It's like, I want to put $1,000 into this stock. Maybe start with 300 and then watch for the dip because you're constantly chasing things, Brian.
Yep.
And then you average down.
But that's the way to do it.
That is the way to do it.
You put in a very little amount, see if it goes up or down, regardless, and then just rebuy in on the dip. And then, if you want to go balls deep from that point, go ahead. But at least you know where it's going, and you can always set a stop loss after that.
Absolutely. That's been like part of my strategy for a minute.
Yeah.
Like I've had single shares of several things that I just keep an eye on. Like how many times do I talk about fucking Cody? You know, like
All the time.
I talk about Cody all the time, but it's also one of the easiest goddamn plays in the stock market. It will dip down to like 630 and then it will go back up to 750. It happens every time, and I keep my one share just to see that thing. It's a fucking buy one share of shit. It's a good one.
Before we get into stocks, let's do crypto because you're the crypto guy.
I am the crypto guy.
So I have one thing I was going to add because it came up. It's from 2018, but it was a quote from Warren Buffett calling Bitcoin rat poison. Do you remember this?
No.
Yeah. So according to Asset Dash, Bitcoin is now the 11th most valuable asset by the market cap with a 500 billion valuation, right?
Okay.
In terms of, this is what Warren Buffett said, in terms of cryptocurrencies, generally, I can say with almost certainty that they will come down to a bad ending. If I could buy a 5-year put on every one of the cryptocurrencies, I would be glad to do it, but I would never short a dime's worth.
I would never short a dime's worth of crypto. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fucking... why would you do that? You're an idiot if you do that.
That was really funny. I wanted to bring that up.
I can't believe people short crypto. It's like, what are you doing? This shit, forget the stock... Like, stock market, you short, and it's like, maybe something runs. It almost never happens. But fucking... Dude, crypto you short, and like, you can wake up and it's gone up $38, and you're like, oh my god, what have I done? You know, like, what a terror... People are always on TradingView on the side. They're like, who the fuck is shorting crypto? You balls of steel having motherfuckers.
All right, let's see what Bitcoin's at right now. Bitcoin is at 26.2.
Oh man,
It did take a little tumble today.
I wanted 30K over the weekend.
You did want 30K.
I said it like 10 times.
So it's been went down $1,000 since 4:30 this morning, which is fucking nothing.
It's nothing.
I just don't really know anything about I'm not into the cryptocurrency game yet. I know Brian is. Brian was going wild on the Discord last night.
Yeah, I'm just dipping my toes in it. I got Crypto King, Crypto Daddy Mark
which is
into
great.
the Discord. He loved it immediately. He's been talking to Ben, which he fucking loves. Ben's pretty into crypto, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Ben's looking for like crypto options and shit. Like, he's in it.
He's like, get the Coinbase Pro.
Yeah, the dude's doing it. But he seems to be making a little bit of money playing crypto, so fucking good on him.
Yeah, so good for him. Fucking...
Dude, the biggest news in the crypto world right now...
Yeah, what's up?
Is it time to talk that? Or
Yeah, please do it.
Is that XRP... Oh, man, dude.
Ripple, bro. Oh.
Ripple, XRP, it popped. It went from like 20 cents to 60 cents just about a month ago. They had that Spark airdrop, and since then, it has gone to shit.
Yes, it did.
It started following, and then the SEC, you know, the thing that regulates the stock market, said that they were suing them because of unregistered sales of their crypto, and like, so they're suing both the company and both the founders of it, like the head guys of it. Ripple took a tumble, and then it got the death stroke just like 2 days ago because Coinbase announced on January 19th that it's no longer trading XRP, and it is it's like, what the fuck? And it is sending, Ben said this, it's sending ripples throughout crypto. Like, bro, my baby Stellar Lumens is taking a fucking hit because I think it's built off of XRP, and like, people are just like, get the fuck away from XRP right now.
Guess what it's at right now?
18.
17.
Fuck. I was gonna say 17.
Yeah. Oh, that fucking sucks.
Steadily losing 30% a day, basically. And you know, eventually it's gonna be nothing. It's crazy. If you have Ripple right now, bro, get the fuck out.
Yeah, because I went in on the graph. I was just trying to bring up the graph last night. So I put in 750, and I think I'm back at like $350. I've lost 50% of my investment.
I almost feel bad, but I was like, hey, check out the graph. It blew up. And then you were like, I put $750, and I was like, why didn't you just put $50 in it? Like, why did you put $750?
That was the max I could do.
You're a fucking loser.
I had it. I had the money, so like it was going up. So like like crypto, you want to take it out immediately. So I put it in there, and then immediately after I fucking did it, it just started tanking.
That's wild.
It was like I remember like looking into it like in an hour later, and like I lost like $250. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me
That's
right
crazy.
now? So I learned my lesson with that.
Hey, Mark sold me on Yield Coin for this new Yield app that's like...
I saw that.
Yeah, it's in the beta, and I was like, whatever. He was talking about it. I was like, I sent him $100,
Okay.
and then he sent it to me because it's like a pain in the ass to buy it. It's worth $61 right now. Solid 40% loss on that. He thinks it's going to be worth like bajillion dollars one day, and like, bro, I'm just letting it sit there. I'm not worried about it. It's like, it's just going to sit there, but I keep giving him shit because I'm like, you couldn't have waited until after the 40. I would love to buy it right now. I'd have twice as much, and I do think it's going up.
Dude, that's like the call I was talking to you about, like the Purple Innovation yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
You remember you're like, oh, I'm just gonna wait just a little bit because it might fucking go down. They called at 115. I got in at 85, and now it's at 25.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I think when I checked it, it was like 50 cents.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling you, dude, it's like their calls so far have netted me a shit ton of money.
Yeah.
That fucking give call, it's down a little bit today, but like the whole goddamn market's down. That give call on a bad day now is a $300 return. I put $100 into it. It's tripled. Triple profit. It's worth $400. It's fucking wild. So their calls are great. Just wait a day.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell out of GHIV right before the merger happens.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Buy the rumor, sell the news.
But okay, hang on. I was gonna say absolutely, but if you look at those SPAC history, the history of some of those SPACs, the ones that hit mergers, that's what happened to XL. They fucking it shot off. So it's like that actually. If you hold. Dude, this GHIV, I'm telling you, is a fucking gold mine.
You think so?
I think so. And like, it's not. What did you buy in at?
I averaged down. So I got in early 12, and then I bought more at like 13. So my
Okay.
average is like 12.57.
So you're still up,
Yeah, I'm definitely still up.
You
I'm
are-
like $1.50.
bro. If you see 12.57 on GHIV again, gift, because I'm telling you, like. It's just going up. They're merging with United Wholesale Mortgage. It's like a Forbes best place to work for millennials. This mortgage company is huge. It's almost as big as Rocket, and Rocket's $20. It's a fucking no-brainer,
So I just pulled up GHIV up on TradingView with the cheat code algo. It's in the sell right now. It's at 14.38.
It's 14.38.
Oh no, it's 13.16. The sell points were. It's a little bit different. Are you able to bring it up on here?
Yeah.
So the cheat code does look a little different, and it fucking looks sexy as fuck. Brian looked at it a little bit this morning. I'm trying to figure out. So it gives you different price points. It gives you 3 different price points. Gives you an entry point. Oh, and a sell point. Okay.
It's at 13.13.
13.13 right now. So it's telling me right now if it goes up to 13.44, buy it.
What? This is weird though, because it's saying the stop loss is set. Do you see how these are backwards?
Oh yeah, they are backwards.
What's going on here?
Oh shit! Can we refresh it?
I wonder if that's if you're shorting. It is. Look at because.
Oh no, I refreshed it and it's normal now.
Oh. Damn.
Oh nope.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so what does this mean?
So this means.
We should probably watch the tutorial video first before we say anything.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and make some assumptions here. And cheat code algo, if you're watching and I'm wrong, I'll correct myself later. This seems to me that this is they're saying short it now, where it says the red part is not necessarily sell, it's short. Okay? So they're saying short. The entry point to short this is 13.44. You're going to set your stop loss to 14.38 because basically if it hits up there, like if you're shorting it goes up, but you're setting take profit at 12.49, 12.02. So that has to be it. I bet when this switches, let's see if we can find a buy.
Wow. Yeah, the BNNGO one.
Is still a buy?
Yeah. It switched to that by accident. That's this is sexy, bro.
Yeah, so if it's in the buy, then it has the stop loss here at 68, and then the take profit at 121, 134. Yeah.
This is wild.
Nice.
So we are going to do our due diligence, look at those videos tonight. This just came out this week.
Yeah.
So we don't really know anything about it yet. We just got it activated this morning, right before it came here.
Yeah, the algo, we were unable to use it for a while, and it was like, what's going on? And then, boom, Christmas present.
Christmas present. That's a great fucking Christmas present.
It is.
So if you're looking to surprise your significant other, you trying to surprise your family member to get into the stock markets, cheat code algo, way to go.
That is the way to go. That BNGO, that's a real bummer. I'm definitely down on that for sure. But like I said, there's some sort of compendium on January 11th, so probably just hold it. I was holding Isaiah at a fucking much higher average, so...
I need to make sure I only hold like one, maybe two fucking penny stocks at a time. It's literally the death of me. It's why my portfolio keeps going fucking down. Is because these goddamn penny stocks.
Do you know? You do know, but dude... goddamn, could somebody just give me like $23,000, please, so I can be over $25,000 and just make the easiest goddamn money in the world? Bro, if you have 25K, okay, if you have 30K really to like put into the stock market and you get to day trade, easy street. Are you kidding? Do you know how many times I could have been like, I could sell right now for 300, like 300 if it was fucking more 3,000? There's never a fucking time anymore where I buy into something and it starts to tank. It at least goes, like, even BNGO today, I was up $250 for like 15 minutes and I was sitting there like, should I sell this? This is my last available day trade. And like a fucking moron, I didn't. And it's just like, if I had the money to do this, forget it. I'm not that greedy. I would just bang, 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 bang. Fuck you, money. Oh, it's infuriating.
Because we know when to buy in now. Because you never buy high, always buy low. As much as I wanted to buy into BNGO this morning, I did not do it because I do not want to buy high. I self-discipline, only buy the dips. And only invest into the stocks that you know that are going up, the long term. So like, just I listen to a lot of the trading fraternity, and like he's just preaches positivity, preaches the long term. He's like, just only invest, and kind of like what Warren Buffett says, just only invest what you think is going to be successful in 10 fucking years.
Yeah.
And so I just need to stop with the fucking pennies. I need to stop with the pennies. I just need to. I fucking need to.
They're just toxic, but they're so great. I mean, like such quick money.
So everybody knows that the House passed the $2 checks. Hopefully, we'll be getting some
$2,000.
What did I say? 200.
We only had one terp stick. The other one's in front of you, and it's unopened. Do you still have your Valley Fever?
No. Do you know what Valley Fever is?
No.
So Valley Fever. So I inhaled something that was like in the dirt, and so it attached to my lung and started growing a little nodule, so I couldn't fucking breathe. It was the worst.
When did this happen?
This happened like 3 years ago.
Oh, when you like first moved here?
Yeah, when I first moved here. And so I went the other day to get an x-ray for like a follow-up. They said everything came back normal, but I'm going to get blood work done. But yeah, why are we talking about that? Let's fucking talk about stocks, bro. So,
well, I didn't want to like catch something by sharing this fucking
dude, I would have fucking told you. It's like, it's literally, it's like, so 93% of the Valley Fever cases are here in Maricopa County. Mm-hmm. And so it's just like when people are doing construction, when they fuck with the dirt, shit goes in the air, we inhale the dirt, fucks with their bodies.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was a bitch. I had to take medicine for like 6 months.
Damn.
So I'm going to do some recaps, not today, but maybe not Thursday, maybe next week, about Roblox and Affirm Holdings, because your boy...
Roblox, the IPO!
Yeah, dude, your boy loves the fucking IPOs. I love them so much. And like my stock news today, even though we don't have that much time left, was just IPOs. Yeah, so like I wanted to go over Qualtrics. Have you heard of Qualtrics?
No.
All right, so new IPO alert, new IPO. So
we need to have like a new IPO.
Yeah, something that pops up on the. So SAP files for Qualtrics. Qualtrics is a market research company that has worked with major companies like Under Armour, BMW, and JetBlue. Right.
Okay.
So the website was super professional. So I broke it down. SAP paid $8 billion for Qualtrics just days before a planned 2018 initial public offering, and now expects to take the software company public to $20 to $24 a share, and at $24, that's an evaluation of $10 billion.
Damn.
So they'll make a profit of $2 billion right off the fucking bat.
Good for them.
Imagine that. So the listing will be under NASDAQ under XM. The company could hit public markets in the late January, early February. Qualtrics racked up a revenue of $401.9 million in 2018 and $591.2 in 2019, with a year-to-year growth of 47%.
Jesus.
Yeah, so I broke this down fucking hard. And the
You
best,
sure did.
And the reason why I'm so into
Hit
this,
that goddamn joint.
fuck you, Brian.
Bro, you're nursing that thing.
I am pretty fucking high. We were smoking Rosenthal this
Ooh,
morning.
that is the cable.
So what hit me so much that I really, really like this fucking company, Qualtrics co-founder Ryan Smith just bought the Utah Jazz for $1.6 billion.
Stop it.
So the owner of this company is in the sport game, and the one thing I know about the sport game is that they love their fucking money.
They sure do.
So I'm going to follow this very, very fucking closely.
You know, a lot of people follow CEOs. Maybe you should look into following that guy, see what else he's into. You know what I mean? Maybe he's looking to get into sports gambling. Maybe that's your DD.
You're talking dirty right now.
That's fucking DD, bro.
That's DD right there.
This is amazing DD, by the way. Like, I think, yeah, my nipple's a little hard for sure.
Okay. Thank you, baby. Dude, I still got some more on top of it. So from there, Qualtrics is now getting somebody from the Silver Lake firm and Zoom Communications to go on their board.
How do you get in on Qualtrics before the IPO? You can't.
I don't think you can.
Okay.
So they bought the right to it before it went public 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And so now they're bringing it public now. I'm not sure after that, but so SAP completed its acquisition of Qualtrics in early 2019. It was the largest private enterprise software acquisition in tech history.
Wow.
Right? So during SAP's 2-year ownership, Qualtrics maintained the same management, which is great to fucking know. And at the same time, which is like the one, I'm going to throw the negative last, right? So when I went to Google SAP, because I wanted to say it properly instead of SAP, SAP, whatever, I didn't really know much about it. So I wanted to do some due diligence on that. So the Jim Cramer came up. Do you know who Jim Cramer is?
Sure.
Dude, this dude is a fucking nut. So
Yeah,
like I watched
people hate him on StockTwits.
Dude, he's funny. He's interesting. I bet he knows a lot of good shit.
He's a character.
Yeah, he's definitely a character. So what he was saying, he was shitting on SAP though, saying that he had one of the co-CEOs come on the show, and then 3 weeks later she got like dismissed and put on to like a different project, so she's not the CEO anymore. And he got all butthurt about that, saying they were all like super sketchy. So that was just SAP, and SAP owns Qualtrics.
What a weird thing to get butthurt about.
So yeah, there's that, and then Alibaba.
Yeah, Alibaba's been, I mean, it fucking tanked, and now it's definitely bounced back a bit, right?
Uh-oh.
No, what's it at?
Oh, so I broke this down too.
Okay, go for it.
I'm
Give it
just
to us.
trying to bang this fucking shit out right out for you, right, bro?
Hit me the shit.
So Alibaba is down 30% in the last 2 months.
Okay.
So there's 3 different reasons why it went down. First, the Ant IPO was pulled just days ahead of its public debut, given that Alibaba holds 1/3 of the stake in the company. Huge blow.
Okay, hang on. So this IPO was pulled
Yes.
because...
I'll tell you in a second.
Okay.
So Ant Group operates Alipay, the world's largest mobile and online payments platform, as well as Uvibao. I'm not sure I said that right, but formerly known as the world's largest money market fund. Did I say it right?
Uh-huh, sure.
I thought you were going to correct me.
Nope.
It also runs Zima Credit, a third-party credit rating system. So pretty much what fucking they got slapped with is they think it's the Chinese government think it's a monopoly, so they got hit, with an anti-monopoly law, and so the state administration for market regulation started an investigation into them. And so when they started with Ant, they fucking wiggled their way all the way to fucking Alibaba.
Wow.
The exact same fucking thing. And on top of that, then Alibaba has to deal with the United States with Donald Trump. So Donald Trump is signing off the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act. I think I brought that up before. So pretty much it said that they could remove any China-based company from the U.S. stock exchange if they don't comply with American auditing standards.
Yeah, dude, Trump doesn't like China.
Dude, so Alibaba just got slapped the fucking round.
What's it at right now?
I
I guess I could have pulled that up too.
Alibaba. I actually don't know. What is it at? It is at $235. It actually went up $13 today.
Yeah, it's up a little bit.
Do you think it's a buy?
No. Well, see, actually, do you have the thing about the stock repurchase program? Is that in your notes?
No, it's not in my notes, but I did read that this morning.
So, yeah, I think, see, Alibaba could be a buy because, actually, shout out to Ben for sending this article over. Basically, the CEO said that they're going to they have like a $6 billion stock repurchase plan. So they rebuy $6 billion worth of stock, and they up that to 10, which is almost double. And I mean, the way I see it, they announced it pretty shortly after the antitrust thing started. The way I see it is I think they're artificially keeping their stock price afloat. You know, they're like, we'll put in another $4 billion and we'll just buy it up. And maybe it's going to hedge against this antitrust suit. That's me. I'm an idiot. You know, you definitely shouldn't believe me, but that's what it sounds like.
You know, but it's so funny because I remember when Portnoy was all about Alibaba. He's like, only stocks to go up. And I'm looking at the yearly chart right now, and that was like at the beginning of June, right when it was pushing $200. So even if like you got in on that, you would still be fucking up $35. Granted, it's not a lot. Actually, it is a lot.
It is a lot.
Over 6 months, stock growing $30 is still a lot. Even though it grew fucking a lot more than that. But
that's what, almost 20%.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you put fucking $1,000 into it and you're up $200 over a few months is not bad. You know, like, especially if you're not trying to be risky.
And to end the show,
great show.
What are you looking at right now?
I'm looking at BNGO. Like I said, I've accepted my fate. Hang on a second. Oh, no, it's definitely pushing back up. It was at 101 the last I checked. It's 108.
5 minutes went up 7 cents.
Yeah, I definitely bought into the hype on this one, but then after doing just a little DD, I do think it's worth the hold. And like I said, I'm a pro bag holder now with IZEA, you know, which I'm out of currently. But like, I know how to properly hold a bag and average down if need be. So I'm probably just gonna hang on to this for like the next 2 weeks, and it's probably like 40% of my shit right now.
Oh,
that's okay. I'm not worried about it,
dude. That's how I feel about OCGN, AMP, and JAGX.
Bro, AMP. Okay, AMP was one of the best fucking plays I feel like I'll ever make. My only regret is that it wasn't more money. That option call paid off. I sold out of AMP at almost its highest.
Really?
I think it was 279. I fucking crushed it. And then like, I don't even think I bought back in. I have one share, and it went tank down. Yeah. I do think it's going, well, it might go back up. The thing about it, I did a little DD on Ampion, and they're pretty known for like some flash pump and dumps like this. Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, so I don't know, but God, I was good. And then GHIV, I just look at that every morning. I'm like, it's great. Even when it goes down, it's still like, bro, I haven't been up less than $200 on that options call in 5 days. It's just like, this is fucking beautiful.
So we're into the kind of the same stocks. So check out our Discord if you want to be on top, like included. I just love the EV games, IDEX, Neo, Ride. They're all gonna fucking boom. I just know it. Can you pull up Neo real quick?
Yep.
So I like Neo and I like Ride and Helion, but I'm gonna wait to invest into that one. But Neo is gonna bounce up. Neo is like the stock that's been down for the last couple weeks. It's just gonna bounce randomly on a Tuesday night.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Neo is in a buy right now.
It's gonna fucking just pop because it's been so low. I invested, so I don't know. I'm still down like $100 because like I've been doing really good at selling out. So like I'll sell out half. That's why for AMPE I was super fucking excited. I sold out half. I should have sold out the whole thing, but at least I profited some money off that. But for this, I fucking kept. The one thing I don't like is that when you keep averaging up, so you take half your money out, but when you rebuy back in, your average keeps going up, which kind of sucks.
It does.
So right now, I'm fucking a little bit in the hole for Neo. I bought in at $46. It's pushing 45 right now. Mm-hmm. But that's gonna go up to fucking 50 something randomly.
Yeah. I think we're on to some decent stocks. I think that it's just like, it's kind of a weird time right now. It's so weird that how hot the market was pre-Christmas and how fucking cold it's been the last 2 days. But I'm not too worried. I mean, New Year's is coming. I think people are making decisions right now. They're like, do I cash out and fucking pay taxes on this shit, or do I wait? You know, like there's weird end of the year decisions, and now like you got the stimulus coming. I don't know. Like I said, am I holding a bag in BNGO? Maybe. Am I worried about it? Not really. I think we figured something out, and I think we'll be all right.
Yep. To end the show, I think I'm 0 for 3 with my trade options this week.
Really?
I think so. Because I'm looking at all mine right now, and one's at a penny now, one's at 2 cents now, and the other one's at 25 cents.
I was like, I don't want to play this game. I bought some Zynga 9.5 puts for the end of the week for like 3 cents, and I sold them today for 8. I made like $20.
Look at you.
Yeah, it wasn't a big sell, but I was like, bro, profit's profit. Yeah.
Killing it.
So, options are...
We're learning.
Yeah,
We're
options are the way to go. If you're not being stupid, it's pretty easy gambling, honestly. It's just like you could just look at charts and see how they play out, and like, yeah, the Zynga call that I bought was gambling. That Zynga put after, I was like, this is easy money, and it was super. I had to wait a day and a half.
Oh.
I probably could have made more money, but I was like, fuck it, I'll just get rid of it.
Cannot be greedy.
Can't be greedy. I took my money.
Don't be greedy.
I see up $20. It was like up 66%. Yeah. I mean, come on.
What a great show.
Great show. I don't have anything to plug. Happy New Year. I think do we have an episode on New Year Day?
I'm checking right now.
New Year's Eve. We have a New Year's Eve
episode. We have a
episode.
New Year's Eve episode, huh?
Great. So we'll see you guys on New Year's Eve.
All right. Shout out to Mad Turp Labs, Cheat Code Algo, Twan Murder, and we'll see you guys